noun form ఏంటంటే performance. Okay, now yeah, the English learning over. Now I would like to call math teacher forward.
Geometry. Euclid. Okay na? Say anyone. The example of rational number. Right answer. You can explain the previous father of decimal fractions. Pi value, pi.
3/7 or 3.14.
Right answer now. What is the distribution property under multiplication? What is the distribution property under multiplication?
Half equal half A plus B half plus C.
A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square. Counting numbers. They are the counting numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, so on. Triangle principle. The principle of area of triangle. Right answer. Half into BH. Area largest 4-digit number is. Largest 4-digit number is 9,999. Right answer. 2 marks. First, second. Integers యొక్క లెటర్ చెప్పండి. ఏ లెటర్స్ రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తారు ఇంటిజర్స్? 2 మార్క్స్. ఫర్ 4 ఓకే రైట్.
ఘోరంగా తింటారు కానీ క్లాస్లో దిగొస్తలేదు.
Who is father of statistics? Who is father of Indian statistics? Indian statistics your father. Right answer. Prashant Chandra Mahalanotis. PC Mahalanotis.
Thank you very much, sir, for asking the question of math. Up to now we have finished Telugu, English and math. ఇప్పటివరకు లెక్కలు కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయినాయి కదా?
3 rounds. వివేకానంద గ్రూప్ 7 మార్క్స్. వివేకానంద గ్రూప్ 10 మార్క్స్. సుభాష్ చంద్ర గ్రూప్ 14 మార్క్స్. భగత్ సింగ్ 6 మార్క్స్. సో సుభాష్ చంద్ర గ్రూప్ లీడింగ్.
The SI unit of force is force की SI unit is Newton is right answer is Newton. 2% 22%. Fruit falling from a tree. Once again, fruit falling from a tree. This force is which type of example? Very good. Gravitational force. Okay, right answer. A pusher pull is called. A pusher pull is called percussion. Force is right answer. Which purpose of powder while playing caroms is? Which purpose of powder while playing caroms is? Carom ఆటలో పౌడర్ వాడతారు కదా, దేని పర్పస్ లో యూజ్ చేస్తారు? ఫ్రిక్షన్ తగ్గించడానికి వాడతారు. ఓకే, ఇంకా ఓన్లీ వన్. Polyester is not. Okay. Correct. Cotton, silk, wool, natural fibers are very good. Next. Group 2. Polymer means. What is the definition of polymer means?
Many and mer means water unit. The word is derived from Greek.
Okay. Right answer. Very good. Polymer means many parts. Very good. Malic acid, very good. Malic acid. Normal temperature of human body. Human body lo ఉండేటువంటి normal temperature ఎంత? 98.7. Yes, 98.4 Fahrenheit. 98.4. Water day. World Water Day. ఎప్పుడు జరుపుకుంటాం? వరల్డ్ వాటర్ డే. March 22. Very good answer. March 22. Fresh water available on the globe. Globe పైన శుద్ధమైనటువంటి వాటర్ యొక్క పర్సంటేజ్ 1% రైట్ ఆన్సర్.
Human body. What is it? How many? 2 marks. Okay, next. That's the name. Okay, now? It's a magnet. Natural magnet. Magnet. Natural magnet is lodestone. Human body. Of biology. Okay, very good. Okay, see everyone, father of biology. Evaru? Aristotle. Third Pasteur is please. Louis Pasteur. Okay, next penicillin anxiety. Okay, very good. Okay, now penicillin discovered by Alexander Fleming. Who discovered oral polio vaccine? Okay, next group. Who discovered oral polio vaccine? Speed of making. Okay, see everyone. Which instrument is used to measurement speed of making? Answer is speedometer. Thermometer. Minimum thermometer. Maximum and minimum thermometer. Answer is 6.
Present RBI governor. Who is the present RBI governor? Ajay Malhotra. Present RBI governor Ajay Malhotra. And Chief Justice, Supreme Court Chief Justice India. Okay. Present Supreme Court Chief Justice India Bhushan Ramakrishna Gawai Award in India. Which is the civilized award in India?
దేశ అత్యున్నత పురస్కారం ఏమిటి?
భారత రత్న. In Africa continent. How many countries are there in Africa?